From a man who missed his exit and cut across all lanes of traffic, and a driver that didn't want to wait for this car to pass, to a truck that was carrying more weight than it should, here are some crazy moments caught on Dashcam. This driver either forgot how to brake or just crashed into the other car on purpose. This time, the snow has got nothing to do with this accident.
Oh, shit. That was not good.
To his credit, I didn't see any stop signs either.
A while back, what, 5 years ago, 2 years ago? Okay, Presto.
Wow.
People that drive like this should have their license permanently revoked.
I said to myself, this affair never would go off on this exit. Really? But why should I try to resist?
In 1.5 miles, keep right toward
starting route to Peterson's Donut Corner.
This driver has no idea what he's doing. This accident almost caused another accident. This truck driver is having one of the worst days of his life. This has got to be one of the most chaotic scenes in traffic ever.
Tá pessoal de enfeite, né? Nossa, bateu, mano. É, que rapaziada, encacetou, não foi pouco não, tá?
Here's why you should always keep a close eye on your surroundings.
Where are we going?
John. Oh shit! Oh my god! 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 Oh god!
This guy thought he could get away with a police officer hanging off his roof.
My way is slowing me down. I'm out of it.
Imagine looking out your front door and seeing this.
Be ready. Right here's something. See if I can blow anyone.
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.